the Lord, everyone. Today is July 15, 2026, as I share my Bible journal for today. For today's topic is why men should pray. So, what is the benefits of prayer? Of a prayer? So as we look at it in the Bible, here are some facts or some statements that might help. So as we start, number one is prayer builds strength. God gives power to those who seek Him. As we read in Isaiah chapter 40 verse 30, and the Bible said, even the youth shall faint and be weary, and the young men shall utterly fall. Amen. And then it followed by number 2, prayer brings wisdom. So men who pray think clearer and choose better because of the guidance of the Lord. So as we read in James chapter 1 verse 5, and the Bible said, if any of you lack wisdom, let him ask of God, that giveth all men liberally and upbraided not, and it shall be given him. Amen. And the third one is, prayer conquers temptation. So prayer keeps a man spiritually alert and guarded. So as we read in Matthew chapter 26 verse 41, and the Bible said, watch and pray that ye enter not into temptation. The spirit needed is willing, but the flesh is weak. Amen. Then the next one is number 4. Number 4 protects the home. So a praying man brings spiritual covering to his family. As we read in Joshua chapter 24 verse 15, and the Bible said, and if it seem evil unto serve the Lord, choose you this day whom ye will serve, whether the gods which your fathers served that were on the other side of the flood, or the gods of Amorites, in whose land ye dwell, but as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Amen. So number 5 is prayer deepens fellowship with God. So prayer keeps the heart near the Lord. As we read in Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 13, and the Bible said, and ye shall seek me and find me, when ye shall search for me with all your heart. Amen. Then it followed by lastly, number 6. Number 6 is prayer advances the kingdom. So God works through men who will call upon Him. So as we read in Ezekiel chapter 22 verse 30, and the Bible said, and I sought for a man among them that should make up the hedge and stand in the gap before me, and for the land that I should not destroy it. But I found none. Amen. So there you have it. The 6 reminders why men should pray. So, a praying man is a powerful man because he is humble enough to know who to turn to in terms of trouble and trials, in terms of what we need, not what we want to have. God will provide it. So I hope I have inspired you with this video journal of mine. Remember, we are on a mission. Keep the fire burning, for we live to serve God. Stay safe, and God bless everyone. Good morning.